intraday. So yes, so around 5,000 quantities what we will buy.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, yes, today is 11th of June and the time is 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market page, and here you can see the market is opening at 0.37% up. That is at 15,796.45. So I can see that today maybe it will make a new high again. Okay, so advanced stocks are 42, declines are 5 only, and unchanged is 3 stocks. Okay, so now let's see the stock which is opening the most gap up section, that is Power Grid with 2.96% up, Tata Steel with 1.20% up. Okay, and now let's see the stock which is opening the most gap down section, that is TCS with 0.16% down, and Sun Pharma with 0.13% down. So yes, so this is how the pre-open market has opened right now. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stocks and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to our stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading, you can join my course today. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this.
So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account, and there is lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken, and also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading. That is, for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private Telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting things. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private Telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the Upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details, and I'll be adding you to my private Telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits.
So guys, right now I selected JSW Steel to trade. So I shall buy this stock now in the market level in intraday. So yes, so around 5,000 quantities what we will buy. Okay, so around 713.50 is where I bought.
So guys, yes, you may see now that the in the market the total number of sellers are more in the market depth. Okay, and the buyers are actually less, so it's fine. So we will get the buyers now, because you can see the market at the top left, that is the Nifty 50, has made a new high today again. Okay, the Nifty 50 is very bullish, the market is very bullish now. So let me wait almost like 3 or 4 points. I'll take my profit and exit. I won't hold much. Okay, I always follow the discipline of hitting 0.5%, or if the market is good and if the stock is having a more strength to go up, then I might hold up for 1% max. Okay, so I'll just book 0.5% maybe, because the market depths is also changing, the numbers are changing, the buyers and sellers are changing, but yes, the stock will go up. The reason why I picked JSW Steel is because Nifty Metal Index is the one which is in the support right now. Okay, all the stocks and all the other index are already in the peak. Okay, so Nifty Bank and the Nifty metal index is in a support right now. That means these are the two index which has a power to go up higher in today. And even you can see today the Nifty bank is also in a down section now, so it might take time to come up. So even Nifty bank and bank sector stocks can also be traded. So yes, as you can see, it's 7:15 now. JSW Steel has come to 7:16. So yes, you can see the market depth there. Suddenly buyers came in, but still 1 lakh plus more sellers if you can see in the total number. So that's why we should be very careful in intraday trading. So you need to observe all these things, okay? The market direction and the stock direction and how the index is performing, okay? So by seeing all these things, you can decide your entry and also the exit, okay? So don't keep seeing your portfolio or MTM or P&L once you enter to a trade, okay? So make sure you observe your chart or the index or the market how it is going. So if it's going according to you, then hold the stock for a decent amount of profit. And if it's coming against you, make sure you know when you're exiting and everything. So that's the reason why I always show you the stock chart and how the stock is performing and also how the index is performing and also you can see at the top left always there's a Nifty 50 index. What I always add, even the Nifty 50 is also going up today. It has made a new high. So yeah, almost I bought at 713 somewhere. 716 has been almost touched there. So it is performing good. So let's see how it will perform. So yes, it will consolidate. So as I said, the stocks are almost all the stocks are in a peak levels now, okay? So they will touch their high, they will come down, they'll consolidate, they will take time. Maybe at the end of the day also many stock go up because lot of sellers are there, lot of profit booking is also happening. So all these things are there. So you guys need to understand it when you come to trade. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, the stock made a high of 717. Okay, so I almost book around 3.5 rupees here, the target. Okay, so here you can see it made a high of 717 and it's starting to come down. And as I said in the morning, yes, Nifty did make a new high today. Okay, so 15,821 is right now what it's trading. So almost 0.5% up today, 0.54% up. And yes, as it was going higher, I booked my profit. All the stocks are in a very peak now, so you should always book your profit soon and exit. Okay, so this is why I exited around 716.30 or 40, somewhere around there, and I was able to book this profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us today.
So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.